Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate OpenAI in ChatGPT for custom AI workflows, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate OpenAI in ChatGPT for custom AI workflows, start by logging into your OpenAI account. Once logged in, navigate to the ChatGPT dashboard. Locate the settings menu, usually found in the top right corner of the page. Click on the settings icon to open the configuration options. In the Settings menu, find the API Keys section. Select the option to generate a new API key. Copy the API key to your clipboard for future use. Next, open your preferred development environment or code editor. Create a new project folder for your custom AI workflow. Inside the folder, create a new file named app.py or any name you prefer. In this file, import the necessary libraries for making API requests. Typically, you'll want to import the requests library for handling HTTP requests. Write a function to configure your API settings. Within this function, include the endpoint for the ChatGPT API. Set the model parameter to indicate which version of ChatGPT you wish to use. Incorporate your API key securely into the request headers. Make sure to handle any potential errors in your API calls. Next, write a function to send messages to the ChatGPT model. In this function, format the user input accordingly for the API request. Send the formatted input to the API and capture the response. Extract the relevant output message from the response data. Display or return this output in a user-friendly format. To enhance your workflow, consider implementing additional functions for specific tasks. You might want to add functionality for saving conversation history, or create options for adjusting parameters like creativity or response length. Once your code is complete, save all your changes. Next, open your command line interface. Navigate to the folder containing your project files. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.